Yes, children, as we saw in activity number 7, that the heating of wax is a reversible change and burning of a candle is an irreversible change, right? So like this, we'll see another example. So with this activity, like number 7 will be done with the help of an incense stick. What is incense stick? Agarbatti. Okay. Now wait till it burns away completely. What are the changes that occurs in the incense stick? The incense stick burns to produce some new material. Yeah, it's the ash and some fumes. You see the beautiful fragrance. These are ash and some gases. We cannot see these gases but can sense them due to their pleasant smell. So smell comes out, okay, whenever you burn the incense stick. So the incense stick is burning and producing the gases, and incense stick is also producing the ashes, right? So some new substances are getting created, okay, after heating it, after burning it, right? Can this change be reversed? And what about the change which occurred in the matchstick you used for lighting the candle or the incense stick? So far, we have discussed the changes occurring in a given object or its material. So, children, can you change this incense stick, like burning of the incense stick? Can it be changed? Can you get the exact original incense stick which is burnt back? Can you get it back as it was? No, because there was a chemical reaction. It burnt into gases and it burnt into ash. So it cannot be brought back. So this is an irreversible change. Okay, children. So the same thing, lighting of the candle and lighting of the incense stick, they both are irreversible change. So far we have discussed the changes occurring in a given object or its material. What about the changes that occur when two substances are mixed together? So in chapter 4, we dissolved salt in water. Yeah. So do you think the change occurred in salt or in water? Is it possible to reverse the change? Wait, in chapter 5 we learned how to separate salt from its solution in water. Okay, so if you mix the salt into the water, can you get the salt from the water? Yes, we can get. No, we did this, we have seen that. So we say that due to salt in water change due to dissolving salt in water is be reversed. Paheli asked if you have ever seen curd being set. A small how to set the curd is also one of the activity. Okay, this we have already done, children, right? No. This we did in 8th standard. Okay. So for 6th standard, you also have to do this activity. A small quantity of curd is added to warm milk. Milk is stirred and set aside for few hours at a warm place. In a few hours, the milk changes into curd. Can this change be reversed? So, setting of the curd. Can this setting of the curd be reversed? Yes or no? Can you get the warm milk back from the curd? Because you get curd from the milk. Can you get curd milk from sorry, yeah, can you get milk from the curd? Can this be reversed? No. So we find that a few ways to bring about a change in a substance could be, how do you bring about the change? How do we bring about the change? We bring about the change by heating it or by mixing it with some other substance. We also find that some changes can be reversed, while some others cannot be reversed. There must be many other ways of changing things around us. Is it possible that some of them could be reversed? Thus, changes around us can be grouped as those that can be reversed or cannot be reversed. Okay, you will learn more about the ways in which changes can be made and the way these can be grouped. Right, children? So, here we are done with the chapter. Now, the keywords: changes, contraction, evaporation, expansion, melting. Right? Some changes can be reversed and some cannot be reversed. A change may occur by heating a substance or by mixing it with some other substances. Okay, now the exercise has come. So we'll do the exercise after some time. So just watch the video completely, children, so that I can ask you question based on that. Okay.